from grade 6, Ruth National School.
I am 9 years old.
While I am 11 years old.
In this channel, we are going to tell you about CS. And welcome to our channel, Ibaad Digital Den. In this channel, we are going to tell you about many apps. For example, Canva, PowerPoint, Python, Scratch, etc. And in this video, we are going to tell you about Canva. What is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that provides tools for creating social media graphics, presentations, and websites.
Now I am going to tell you what's the major differences between Canva Pro and Canva Free. Now the first big difference is that Canva Free provides limited access to some of the elements, while Canva Pro gives unlimited access to most of the elements. For example, if I go to social media and click on Instagram post, you could see on some of the elements there is a crown at the bottom, which means that these can only be used for the people who are in the Canva Pro. So if I choose this, you could see that it gets on my slide. But if I try to download it, it will say you need to upgrade to Canva Pro or promote to Canva Pro to download this picture. The second major difference is that Canva Free doesn't allow you a brand kit, while Canva Pro allows you to make a brand kit. What is a brand kit? A brand kit is a document in which your logo and your business colors are put in one place. So, if you could see, when I went to the left side and click on brand kits, it will not allow me to use brand kit until I promote up to Canva Pro. Thank you.